nice sound to it. '68 Camaro Super Sport. '96. Rally too. '69 Camaro Super Sport. See, the Rally has the hideaway headlights, and the regular SS just has the regular headlights. That is an original 396. Chevelle Super Sport. Big when I was in high school. 1973 Trans Am's 455. Good old Chevy pickup. Custom tin. More of a stock version look of it. Almost the exact same pickup truck. Yeah, it is the exact same. 71.
All different. You see some of them have the wood on them. You know.
Actually has a wood bag.
All factory.
Wow.
It was all engraved on the flower tank and stuff on the tip. Oh. Yeah.
All original. 1971. Man, even look at the roof. Goodness. That is good. And either one of those classics right there. That was a '73 Maverick. Buick Skylark. 1962. Cool red rod. Looks like it was all hand painted with a spray can. Like a Hummer on the inside though. Ones that came over on the boat when Honda started selling cars. This thing got about 40 miles per gallon way back in the early 70s. 1970. 2-cylinder. 37 horsepower. This is called a hillbilly hearse. It's a pickup truck. Good looking rod. 70 El Camino. For sale, $6,900. Little hot rod. '57 Chevy Bel Air. An Impala. International pickup truck. Wow. Q4. That's when Range Rovers were really Range Rovers. I think it probably does a good looking Impala. That's a fun looking hot rod. That's what Jimmy's trick could look like. This guy's there every year. I've seen this one several times. Window air conditioner. It's a window air conditioner. '64 T-Bird. Volkswagen van. Volkswagen section, I guess. The steering wheel is more flat. Drive with a sled. A couple of road kills. Another rat ride. Dub. Probably owned by the same people. Took out the back seat for coolers. Gosh. Challenger, 1970. 69 Camaro, Super Sport, RSSS. Dodge Challenger. Corvette convertible. Clown car. Austin. That's the original motor, radiator. Oh yeah. How long is that? It's got to be almost 1950.
All that.
Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah, totally.
For 59?
Metropolitan. I actually want one of these. Theo. Hey, Sean. Good. A white Chevy truck. That's a good looking. Kids probably fought over sitting in the back of this. Model A. 69 El Camino. That was my car right there. And mine was midnight blue with a white Landau top. Night.